you've been around the internet, and I'm betting you have, you've definitely heard of this dishwasher hack. Throw a ball of tinfoil in the utensil basket, and somehow, magically, you've got extra shiny silverware. Now, I'm not about to put on my tinfoil hat. There is some science to suggest that this might work. But how? It can't be an abrasive scrubbing thing because, well, that's not how a dishwasher works. A ball of foil is not going to physically scrape the tarnish off your forks and knives. So that means, theoretically, it shouldn't really matter where in the dishwasher you put this tinfoil ball. Taste of Home says it's actually a chemical reaction between the foil ball and your dishwashing detergent that does the polishing. It oxidizes, removing the tarnish. But that chemical reaction isn't as brand new of an idea as the phrase TikTok hack would suggest. The idea actually comes from the days when silverware was largely, well, silver. Maybe a grandparent taught you this one. Line a pan with aluminum foil, sprinkle in some baking soda and add your tarnished spoons, and pour some hot water over the top. It should remove the tarnish from your silverware. But does this newfangled dishwasher version actually work? We're going to test this new hack against the tried and true one. Here's what these forks, spoons, and knives look like pre-glow up. Now, crumple a ball of foil and toss it into the dishwasher. I'm going to put it in the silverware compartment, but it shouldn't matter where you put it. We'll see what happens when it all comes out. So we're back. We tested both methods, and the verdict is it sort of works. If you take a look at the control, you can see that our silverware was already relatively clean. It's a little bit tarnished in spots, but for the most part, it's clean, brand new. So when you look at the after of both the old school method and the new dishwasher hack, you can tell that they're shinier, somewhat shinier, but by no means is it a drastic change between the original and the cleaned silverware. All that said, this hack doesn't hurt. You can certainly put a piece of tinfoil in your dishwasher with your silverware. It's not gonna hurt any of your dishes. It might help, especially if your dishes are a little more tarnished than ours, but like I said, it certainly won't hurt. What internet home hack should we try next? Let us know in the comments.